All right, this is the third time I've knocked on this house in the last couple of days. So I'm gonna leave a note if they don't answer. All right. Here is a note saying I'll mow their lawn for free, and hopefully they get that. I'm gonna check back in a couple days to see if they took it off the door. All right, everyone, so I actually put that sign on the door a couple days ago and no one's taking it down, but I was doing a lawn just down the street and some people at the office in this neighborhood recognized me and they actually know what's going on this lawn, so she's gonna meet me here in a second, but I'm gonna take that note down. I'm Spencer.
Mary, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. So you said you might know a little bit about what's going on with this house?
Yeah, they bought it a few years ago, and we talked to her when it first happened and then signed all the papers and whatnot, and then ever since we haven't seen her lately, and so been noticing the yard.
Yeah, the yard's getting kind of crazy. Does she live here?
Nope, it's a vacant house.
Okay.
There's no one in it. There's no furniture. There's nothing in it.
You're not sure what happened to her?
We don't know what happened. We had some neighbors call us and say, hey, what's going on with this house? It seems weird. And so we called the sheriff's department to see, maybe they could do something for us. And they came by and knocked on it and opened the door and went in, and there's just nothing in there, and we just haven't seen or heard anything from her. And we don't have a way to get a hold of the person anymore.
Oh, that's too bad. When's the last time the grass was cut, do you think?
I would probably venture to guess maybe last year.
Well, do you think it'd be okay if I got cleaned up?
I think it would be amazing.
Make it look
Very
a little bit
much.
better for the neighborhood and the people surrounding.
Yeah, we have a lot of homeowners here. It just makes everybody feel good about where they live. It's a great neighborhood.
Well, thank you.
Appreciate it.
I just made a really big mistake.
Hey everyone, Spencer here with SB Mowing, and I found this house while doing some other work in this neighborhood. I knocked on the door a few different times, but I never got an answer. So I decided to knock on it one more time and leave a note on the door since there was a car in the driveway and I was hoping that the homeowner would get my note. But I went back about 3 days later and the note didn't get touched, so obviously something else was going on. Luckily, a lady that works at the front office for the neighborhood recognized me and came over to tell me a little bit more about the home. I guess they haven't seen the lady that owns it in quite a while, and they were getting some requests from the neighbors to see what was going on. They called the sheriff out to do a wellness check, and they went inside and the place was completely empty. She isn't living there anymore and her yard hasn't been cut for an entire year. So I thought I would do a favor for the neighbors and make it look awesome again. Plus, there was something that happened right when I was finishing up that I have never had happen to me, so be sure to stay until the very end of this video to see that. And if you haven't done so yet, be sure to click that follow button for me, as it's the best way to support this work that I do. And I hope you all enjoy this awesome transformation. SB Mowing, out.
Okay, guys. I just made a really big mistake. I was knocking that trash can over to knock the water out so that it wasn't too heavy for me to move, and the whole front yard smells like poop now. I can't even get within like 20 feet of that without gagging, so I'm just gonna leave that. Oh God, I'm downwind of it. Wow. That whole thing must be filled with poop. All right, well, we're just gonna weed eat and blow and get out of here.